Hello fellow AI art explorers. I'm Thane, and today, we're diving into the next 100 Midjourney STYLE codes, covering styles from 3,100 to 3,199. Every new batch brings unexpected discoveries, and as always, I'm here to document and showcase them in an organized way. With billions of possible codes out there, chances are you haven't seen these exact ones before. My approach is simple. I use a single base prompt, just a period symbol, along with the same parameters for every style. This ensures that the only difference comes from the sref number itself, allowing us to see the unique characteristics each code brings. If you want to experiment with these yourself, just take note of the number and add --sref followed by that number to your own prompts. These codes tend to introduce a distinct color palette, artistic technique, and overall mood, without needing extra descriptive words. Some react more strongly to prompts than others, but tweaking the --stylize value can adjust how much influence they have. The names you'll see aren't official, they're AI generated, but they have been handpicked out of a selection of possible style names, and they are meant to give a feel for each style. So let's jump in and see what this set has in store. 3100 Post-apocalyptic colored sketch. 3101 Skeleton-laden shadowscape anime. 3102 Turquoise reflection, solitude. 3103 Whimsical golden dreamlike. 3104 Neon fragmented futuristic. 3105 Majestic verdant serenity. 3106 Muted atmospheric textured. 3107 Expressive fluid chaotic. 3108 Violet luminous fantastical. 3109 Muted painterly atmospheric. 3110 Vibrant fantasy dynamic. 3111 Blue graphic mysterious. 3112 Blue illustrated fairy tale. 3113 Bold psychedelic geometric. 3114 Gentle illustrative floral. 3115 Purple cinematic atmospheric. 3116 Charcoal dynamic illustrative. 3117 Soft anime melancholic. 3118 Soft illustrative melancholic. 3119 Monochrome surreal collage. 3120 Colorful intricate ornate. 3121 Black sketch moody. 3122 Soft illustrative enchanting. 3123 Orange surreal abstract. 3124 Golden cinematic regal. 3125 Neon graphic cyberpunk. 3126 Blue abstract minimalistic. 3127 Pink painterly fantastical. 3128 Red painterly scenic. 3129 Gentle painterly fairy tale. 3130 Fiery kinetic dramatic. 3131 Bold dramatic contemplative. 3132 Luminous fantastical adventurous. 3133 Misty tranquil dreamlike. 3134 Mystical golden serene. 3135 Vivid chaotic apocalyptic. 3136 Vibrant floral eccentric. 3137 Stark digital enigmatic. 3138 Hazy ethereal painterly. 3139 Subdued atmospheric classical. 3140. Golden dreamy whimsical. 3141. Colorful, playful fantastical. 3142. Pastel minimalistic serene. 3143. Crimson ink, sketchy. 3144. Delicate linework contemplative. 3145. Neon graphic minimalist. 3146. Cold textured dramatic. 3147. Radiant fantastical elegant. 3148. Bold abstract kinetic. 3149. Bold illustrative eccentric. 3150. Crimson graphic macabre. 3151. Minimalist detailed, classic. 3152. Neon dynamic expressive. 3153. Bold cel-shaded whimsical. 3154. Warm textured fantastical. 3155. Dark ink heroic. 3156. Monochrome intricate detailed. 3157. Neon surreal vibrant. 3158. Monochrome cinematic serene. 3159. Radiant digital enchanting. 3160. Vibrant cel-shaded imaginative. 3161. Red geometric abstract. 3162. Vibrant, playful 3D. 3163. Moonlit painterly magical. 3164. Dark etched minimalistic. 3165. Soft monochrome atmospheric. 3166. Bold splattered surreal. 3167. Warm painterly whimsical. 3168. Elegant cinematic serene. 3169. Dynamic rough abstract. 3170. Celestial painterly soft. 3171. Subdued natural immersive. 3172. Minimalist, delicate, illustrative. 3173. Swirling ornamental fiery. 3174. Vibrant cinematic intimate. 3175. Minimalist graphical striking. 3176. Fiery dramatic haunting. 3177. Golden ornate baroque. 3178. Bright minimalistic neon. 3179. Neon glowing moody. 3180. Ethereal sketch atmospheric. 3181. Autumnal pixelated nostalgic. 3182. Golden detailed illustrative. 3183. Dynamic energetic comic. 3184. Colorful graphic conceptual. 3185. Earthy serene reflective. 3186. Light airy illustrative. 3187. Impressionistic hazy atmospheric. 3188. Dark gritty dystopian. 3189. Warm reflective illustrative. 3190. Detailed dramatic adventurous. 3191. Abstract vibrant whimsical. 3192. Ethereal abstract flowing. 3193. Bold red graphic. 3194. Floral surreal elegant. 3195. Muted green serene. 3196. Moody Medieval Enchanting. 3197. Dynamic Abstract Colorful. 3198. Mystical Rainbow Glow. 3199. Dreamlike Ethereal Petals. And that wraps up the 3100 to 3199 batch. Some of these surprised me right away, while others only showed their full potential when tested with more detailed prompts. That's the beauty of these style codes. There's always something new to uncover. If you would like to see these images and their prompts in a prompt PDF format, those can be found over on my Patreon, available to my incredible supporters. The link is in the description if you'd like to check it out. Of course, you can also support the channel just by subscribing, hitting like, or sharing your favorite styles in the comments. Every bit of engagement helps me keep exploring and sharing these discoveries with you all. Thank you for watching, and let's continue prompting.